Rice Krispie Treats are a fun, easy, no-bake snack that comes together quickly and are packed with marshmallows. Mix and match different flavors of Rice Krispies or add sprinkles and candies into these treats. Welcome back, or if you're new here, my name is Kate and this is Bake That. Melt 8 tablespoons of diced salted butter in a large pot on a medium-low heat. Use a spatula and add some of the butter to the sides of the pot to help prevent the marshmallows from sticking. Add fresh marshmallows and continue stirring them until they are melted. Always use fresh marshmallows since they will melt much easier than expired marshmallows. Add the Rice Krispies cereal into the marshmallow mixture. Stir until the cereal is completely coated with the marshmallow mixture. Add vanilla extract and continue stirring. You can also add different extracts to Rice Krispie Treats, like a combination of vanilla, almond, and coconut extract to add more flavor. Feel free to add additional marshmallows, stirring until they are just beginning to melt. If you would like to add sprinkles or candies, add them now. Transfer the mixture to a lined 9x13 baking pan or a smaller pan for larger Rice Krispie Treats. Lining the pan with parchment paper or wax paper makes it much easier to transfer to a cutting board once they have cooled. There are so many options to use when it comes to Rice Krispie Treats, since there are other flavors of Rice Krispies, or you can use a combination of Rice Krispies and other cereals. Spread the mixture out evenly, lightly pushing the Rice Krispies down to the sides of the pan. Check out other no-bake recipes in the video description below, like Nutella bars and puppy chow. Let them cool for about 30 minutes at room temperature and then transfer the mixture out of the pan and cut them into bars. Store these Rice Krispie Treats in an airtight container for up to 1 week. Thank you so much for watching. Come back next week to bake more good things.